Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I decided I'm going to make one more, at least for now, Starbucks Copycat drink because I forgot I didn't make the Starbucks Dragon drink. Hello. So we're going to make that one today. But before we get into that video, just make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So I thought I was going to be done at least for a little while with those refreshers, but I forgot I didn't make the dragon drink. Hello. So I know you guys really liked the mango dragon fruit refresher. That was like a good one for you guys. So this one is going to be very similar, but it's creamier and sweeter. So I mean, who doesn't want something creamy and sweet? Hello. And yes, of course, this drink is going to be pink, just like my Barbie shirt and everything. So just like most of the recipes, this is what we're going to be using today. So I have our ice with our frozen dragon fruit or pitaya chunks. We have our mango juice, our grape juice, or white grape juice. Now, if you don't have white grape juice, you can use something like an apple juice or something like that. You're just going to want to make sure that it's not any crazy color because you want to try to keep this as pink and pure as possible. So then we have our syrup. You can use vanilla syrup, you can use the hibiscus syrup that we made in our other video, just a sweetener. You can use monk fruit sweetener, whatever it is you want, but that's what I'm going to be using today. Your coconut milk, you can use the one in the can, you can use the one in the carton. This time I shook it up a bit so we don't have the entire coconut milk falling into our cup like the other video, but you know, we're learning here. And we have our dragon fruit chunks. This is what I already put inside of our cup here. Our green coffee bean powder. Now that's what you're going to want to use if you want to add some caffeine like the other videos. You can use green tea. You can just omit it altogether. I'm probably going to omit it for this one because I don't want to have too much caffeine right now. My head is hurting and I just, no. And then our dragon fruit powder. Now, because this one has the different powders and it has the coconut milk and the sweetener and all these different ingredients and consistencies and everything like that, I'm going to do something a little bit different and I'm going to shake this one up. So in the other videos, I just kind of poured everything together, maybe mixed it a little bit with my straw, or maybe I didn't mix it at all. I told you I like the layers of separation. But for this one, we're going to shake this up a bit and we're going to really emulsify this and see what we get. Now, if you don't have a cocktail shaker or something like that, I'm literally just going to use a shaker cup. What I'm going to use, I mean, you can put, I guess, the ice in there if you want. I'm just going to keep the little thing inside of here and just shake it all up in here, and then I'm going to pour it into my cup. But you guys are more than welcome to do whatever it is you want to do. Pour it all together, mix it in a mason jar, just whatever you guys want. So I'm just going to get all of my ingredients together and then we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, as always, is you're going to take your powders. So I'm just going to be using the freeze-dried dragon fruit. I'm not going to use the green coffee bean extract today, but you guys are more than welcome to do so. And we're just going to add some liquid. I'm going to use the white grape juice. And we're just going to mix this around just to kind of get this dissolved a little bit so we don't have any chunks in our drink. And like I said, I'm going to be using that shaker cup, so we should be fine, but so we have kind of like a paste going on here. Okay, that looks pretty good to me, so I'm just going to take my shaker cup now. I'm going to take my mango juice. The only thing is you're going to want to make sure you're using a cup or mason jar or whatever that's big enough for all this stuff. I'm going to take whatever was left of the white grape juice and our little dragon fruit mixture. Nope. Now we're going to take our coconut milk. Let's see if I can open it this time. I know this is it's always an issue for me. Ooh, easy today, guys. Da 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 da. Oh. Ah, beautiful. Alright, so we're going to need about a cup of coconut milk. And then we're just going to add this right in. And I'm going to add some of my sweetener just at this point to get everything mixed together. You can adjust this however you want. And now I'm going to start shaking. So make sure your lid is completely secure before we start. Okay, we're good. Now let's start shaking. Alright, so that should be good. I know it's deceiving because my cup is pink. It smells good. So, just for the purpose of this video, to keep it as authentic as possible, I'm going to go ahead and grab like a mini strainer because that's what they say to do. I personally don't care if there's seeds or whatever in my drink, but I'm gonna get our little strainer just so it's authentic as possible. So just give me 1 second. Okay, so we have our strainer, I have my straw. Oh, smart. Let's do our little strainer. Let's see what we got here. You guys, this is so pink, I'm dying. This is like a bubblegum pink. I'm living for this. I don't want the thing to fall in here. I'm scared. I mean, I don't think this could have worked out more perfectly. I'm dying. Now we can put our straw back in. Look at the color. I can't wait to try this. Alright, you guys, now it's time for my favorite part, to try it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, this is so good, you guys. I've told you before on my channel, I don't know what it is about this coconut milk. I die at the texture and that just tropical little twang that it gives. It's so good. Like I always say, like, something that just looks pretty, isn't it just that much more enjoyable when you eat or drink it? Like, I'm living, I can't wait for summer, and I can make big pictures of all of these and just have them all out, and we can just pick our different ones, whatever we want. Maybe we want our hibiscus one, or maybe you want the pink drink, or whatever, the violet drink, whatever it is. So excited for all of these. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which one was your favorite? I know there's so many to choose from. I don't even think I have a favorite at this point. They're all so good. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.